Good morning. In this session, you are given accounting ratios. You are asked to calculate the missing items. Ratios ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ನೀವು items ಅಥವಾ current assets, current liabilities or fixed current quick assets or quick liabilities ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡುವುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. So I will read out first problem. Following information of a company is given. Current ratio 2.5:1. Acid test ratio or liquid ratio or quick ratio 1.5:1. Current liabilities 50,000. So you know one item, that is current liability. With the help of this, you should calculate current assets, liquid assets and inventory. So we are given that current ratio is 2.5:1. So current ratio formula, current assets divided by current liability. So we know that 2.5 divided by 1 is equal to current assets divided by 50,000. Current liabilities gottide, current assets gottilla. So on cross multiplication we get current assets is equal to 50,000 into 2.5. So 1,25,000. Then we know acid test ratio or liquid ratio. Liquid ratio is equal to liquid assets divided by liquid liability. And here 1.5 liquid assets divided by liquid liability is equal to 1.5:1. It is given in the problem. So 1.5 divided by 1 is equal to liquid assets divided by 50,000. So liquid assets is equal to 50,000 into 1.5 is equal to 75,000. Then you are asked to calculate inventory or stock. Inventory or stock is equal to current assets minus liquid assets. That is 1,25,000 minus 75,000. So rupees 50,000. Now see the second problem. The following information of a company is given. Current ratio 2.5:1, liquid ratio 1.5:1, working capital 1,20,000, bank overdraft 20,000. So to calculate liquid liability from the current liability, you deduct bank overdraft. So here bank overdraft kotta karana neevu liquid liabilities nodbekadre. If you are asked to calculate liquid liability, then you should deduct 20,000 from liquid current liabilities. So you are asked to calculate current assets, current liability, liquid assets and closing stock. See the solution. Current ratio 2.5:1, liquid ratio 1.5:1. Working capital is equal to, it is the excess of current assets over current liability or current assets minus current liability. That is rupees 1,20,000. So we know that current ratio is equal to current assets divided by current liability. Here current assets minus current liability is given as rupees 1,20,000. That is 2.5 minus 1 is equal to rupees 1,20,000. Therefore 1.5 is equal to 1,20,000. That is working capital. So current assets is equal to 1,20,000 into 2.5. So you will get 3 lakhs. Current assets, current ratio andre hege bariyodu ನಾವು current assets divided by current liability. So 2.5:1 ಅಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ current asset 2.5 ಇರ್ತದೆ, current liability 1 ಇರ್ತದೆ. So current assets minus current liability is equal to working capital. So 1.5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತುಂಟು ನಮಗೆ, 1,20,000. So current assets ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು, 2.5 ಅಲ್ಲ, 2.5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ನೋಡುವಾಗ 3 lakhs ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Next you are asked to calculate current liability. So current liability is equal to, current assets minus current liability is equal to working capital. Current assets minus current liability is equal to working capital. So we know working capital, we know current assets. So to calculate current liability, then the formula is current assets minus working capital. So 3 lakh minus 1,20,000, you will get 1,80,000. Then liquid ratio is given, liquid assets divided by liquid liability, and here liquid liability is equal to current liability minus bank overdraft. So 1,80,000 minus 20,000, you will get rupees 1,60,000. Therefore liquid assets is equal to, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ratio 1.5 ಅಲ್ಲ, 1.5:1, so 1.5 into 1,60,000, so it is 2,40,000. Then closing stock or inventory is equal to current assets minus liquid assets, so 3 lakh minus 2,40,000, that is rupees 60,000. So in this kind of problems will be asked either for 6 marks question or for 12 marks question. 6 marks ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. 12 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗಾದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಲಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ನಾವು ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದ ವೇರಿಯಸ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ assets and liabilities. So this is about how to calculate the missing items when ratios are given. Thank you.